How to fix Instagram photo access easy and quick on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram photo access easy and quick on Android phone. All you need to do just go to settings and then apps and apps again, and now click Instagram, clear cache, and now go to permissions, and here only to do just click storage. You will find it here, and camera, just click storage, allow it, and allow camera and microphone too, just allow it if you found it here, and then just go back and try again, and your problem will be fixed. It's easy, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like, and see you in the next video.